Let's focus on Just Dial. The company has forayed into e-commerce, and interestingly, on the 7th of this month, they would be announcing certain developments within this particular regard. We have the management joining us right now to give us a sneak peek into what exactly is on the table. Mr. VSS Mani, founder and CEO at Just Dial, is with us from Mumbai. Mr. Mani, thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Let's discuss the new venture that you're launching. Can you run us through the highlights of this venture? I believe there's a launch of Search Plus services, and then of course there's also an online platform which is being launched to enable purchase of branded goods. Can you run us through these initiatives? What exactly are these?
Sure. I'll give you a brief background on why this, and then probably explain to you what the service is all about. See, if you notice, in the last couple of years, we have seen dramatic change in the internet ecosystem. The cost of internet connectivity has come down. 3G mobile networks have pretty much penetrated all the parts of the country. Along with that, and the cost of devices like the handphone cost has come down below 10,000. Tablets you can get below 10,000. So you are able to have 24/7 internet connectivity, and pretty much a large section of Indian population is able to afford it now. Now, along with this, we are also seeing a change in the habits of people. You notice that many of us start talking less on phone. We're doing texting and using messengers like WhatsApp. Social network sites are immensely popular and we all use the mobile phone for that purpose. So today, a mobile phone is more than a phone. It is not just for voice, SMS, and email, but it's also for surfing the net. Now, with that kind of ecosystem change and that change in the habits of people, we feel that India is ready to do go and do several things that they do offline would now get onto online and do it. So Just Dial as a search engine, we felt, this is the right time for us to get to the next level of search, which is not just being a search engine, but be a search plus engine. What is search plus engine? Search plus engine means what hitherto people were doing, like searching and then acting on that information by either calling up the business or visiting the business, can then avoid that and do it online at Just Dial's platform itself.
Right.
So to put it in simple language, like if you were to search for restaurants in Just Dial, you would probably pick up the phone and book a table in the restaurant or order food from that restaurant. You don't have to do that anymore. You just have a tab right there called Book a Table. Double click, your table is reserved. And few more clicks, your order food for home delivery is done. Similarly, anything that you do from morning till evening, all those activities can be done mutely, silently, without having to pick up the phone and talk, and saving you a lot of time. So our goal is to save time and as well as bring in that element of saving money for you.
Right.
So we feel that why would you go online, let's say, e-commerce, let's say worldwide, it's known for because of its convenience. Second is you can discover better prices. Rarely, some cases, like especially in India, some of the remote cities where you don't have certain products available, but you can buy it online. But to add to this, if you can bring in the reliability factor, in Just Dial we are introducing. So our idea is to get the millions.
Mr. Mani, sorry to interrupt you. Can you talk about how much investment goes into these new ventures?
Just coming to that. As I said, our idea is to get all the millions of businesses which are listed with us to get onto this e-platform space. So obviously there's an investment there. But the idea is to also put a kind of a trust factor for each of these businesses so you and I can comfortably deal with these organizations which are not known to us. Now, here we are putting in money, investing a large amount of money into the software development. It's more of a people investment in technology. We are recruiting the best of engineers, and we're investing a lot on that space. Nothing much on the hard infrastructure space. Yes.
Okay. So obviously that's a significant move for the company. Can you talk about the kind of market that we're looking at, the addressable market? Obviously, e-commerce has been quite big in the country, has actually made it quite big once again. I remember 1999, 2000 .com bust, and after that, everybody just wrote it off. But now, the last 3-4 years, the success of some of the newer entrants, and with your entry as well, one actually gets a sense that the addressable market has become pretty big. What's your estimate?
So the answer is simple. Earlier it failed because there was no connectivity. So there's no connectivity, where is the commerce? So that was definitely not workable. Right now, the connectivity is there and growing leaps and bounds. habits of people have changed. They're more comfortable doing things online. Then innovative way of doing, like, having cash on delivery, not necessarily you have to pay by credit card. The Just Dial, what we are doing is, we are taking to the next level. What we are doing is, we are not saying that we are going to compete with the offline stores. No, we are enabling the very same offline store you buy from, but you don't have the time to take your car and go buy it and come back home. So you can actually do this. You may still prefer to buy from the same shop in that particular mall,
Right.
the product that you want to buy, but you come to Just Dial and do it online, and your product is delivered at your doorstep.
Absolutely.
So the addressable market here is huge in terms of people like all of you using our services, and at the same time the number of businesses that could participate.
Right.
Essentially, this is something new worldwide, at least to my knowledge. There is
Right.
no other search engine which has tried this, where they're able to address
Right.
a very large market by leveraging the existing offline players.
Okay. All right, Mr. Mani. Thank you so much for joining us. Exciting times for you. Exciting venture. Wish you all the best. That's the management of Just Dial talking about the new launch. Officially gets announced on the 7th. We brought you a sneak peek. So, Jeet Pal is with us, pharma analyst at Prabhudas Lilladher.